Hey Utah, this is Matt here with Maple Mountain Fireplace. Hey, today we're going to be talking about how Napoleon has the best builder grade fireplace on the market. It is the most upgradable, most reliable, and best looking. So some of your low cost upgrades include a blower, remote control, ceramic glass, 6 brick panel options, 6 different front options, and it's the best looking because you pick the options you want to look at. So long-term reliability. This comes with the Italian-made sit control valve, and it is solid. So come check us out. Come look at Napoleon Fireplaces. I think you're gonna like what you see. We are competitive, we'll beat anybody's price, and you're gonna love your fireplace. Thanks for watching.